Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Facebook from automatically translating posts in a specific language that you may not want it to. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and select your profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and then select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. On the left side, underneath Preferences, you want to select Language and Region. And now on the right side, underneath Posts from Friends and Pages, where it says Languages you don't want automatically translated, select the Choose button. At this point, go ahead and either search the list here or go ahead and search up here at the top bar and then try and find that language from the list. And then once you're done, go ahead and check mark to selected. Select the Save button to save it. And then once you're done, that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.